Hey guys, in this video I will show you the truth behind the Cash App glitch. Alright, let's begin. The Cash App glitch refers to a moment in 2025 when users discovered a serious issue with the platform. Initially, customers reported being charged twice for transactions. Although Cash App resolved the double charge problem quickly, some users noticed they could input large amounts, like $1,000 or $30,000, into the app and then attempt to cash out, even without those funds in their balance. This led to what became known as the Cash App glitch. People started exploiting it, withdrawing large sums and even making songs about it. However, this so-called glitch was not sustainable. Cash App eventually caught on. Anyone who withdrew money they didn't actually have was charged back, had their accounts frozen, and in many cases, placed in debt. According to Cash App's terms of service, if you withdraw unverified funds and fail to repay them, the company can withhold your future deposits or even take legal action. This has already happened to many users. So is the glitch still happening? Some users may still attempt it, but Cash App actively monitors for abuse. Engaging in this can result in frozen funds, legal problems, and significant debt. So, that's basically the truth behind the Cash App glitch. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.